नारायण 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 नमो नमः सद्गुरुभ्यो नमो नमः नमो नमः सद्गुरुभ्यो नमो नमः हरे रामेति कृष्णेति नाम संकीर्तनं सदा लोकक्षेमाय कुर्वन्तं प्रेमिकं सद्गुरुं भजे प्रेमिकं सद्गुरुं भजे सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकम् अनुपमितं कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानां हन्त भाग्यं जनानां गुरुवायूरप्पने अप्पन् गुरुवायूरप्पने अप्पन् श्रीकृष्णं गुरुवायूरप्पने अप्पन् श्रीकृष्णं गुरुवायूरप्पने अप्पन् नारायणायन नावार अழைப்போர்க்கு நாராயணாயன நாவார அழைப்போர்க்கு வருமிடர் தவிர்த்து வாஞ்சையுடன் காக்கும் குருவாயூரப்பனே அப்பன் ஸ்ரீகிருஷ்ணன் குருவாயூரப்பனே அப்பன் விழிகற்கமுதூட்டும் எழில் திருமேனி விழிகற்கமுதூட்டும் எழில் திருமேனி தழுவகரம் துடிக்கும் பால திருவுருவம் விழிகற்கமுதூட்டும் எழில் திருமேனி தழுவகரம் துடிக்கும் பால திருவுருவம் முழுமதி முகம் திகழ் அருள்விழி சுடர்கள் முழுமதி முகம் திகழ் அருள்விழி சுடர்கள் அழைக்கும் அன்பர் கருளும் அடிமலரிணையே அழைக்கும் அன்பர் கருளும் அடிமலரிணையே முன்னம் யசோதை மைந்தனாய் வந்தவன் முன்னம் யசோதை மைந்தனாய் வந்தவன் இன்று நமக்கிறங்கி இங்கு எழுந்தருளி பாலனாய் யுவனாய் பாலிக்கும் தெய்வமாய் பரமச நிலை காட்டும் பரம புருஷன் குருவாயூரப்பனே அப்பன் ஸ்ரீகிருஷ்ணன் குருவாயூரப்பனே அப்பன் அப்பன் குருவாயூரப்பனே Appan. Namaskaram to one and all on this very auspicious and happy occasion of Ashtami Rohini. It's happy birthday to you, Guruvayurappa, and here we are in Guruvayur Kshetram wishing our dear Lord Guruvayurappan a very happy birthday. He is our own baby, our cute, cherished little Guruvayurappan with his own beautiful Rupam with which he gave darshanam to his father Vasudeva and mother Devaki in the prison. In the same Rupam is he seen in our Guruvayur temple with his Shankam and Chakram and Gada and Padmam in his own kolam. Every day, whatever the priest takes pride and joy in dressing him up for every joyous occasion, it is our own Lord Guruvayurappan's birthday today. His Rupam, his beautiful smile, Guruvayurappan's Murti, the Chandana Kapal, the beautiful Guruvayur temple, the ambience, the aura, the Vadyam, the instruments that we hear, his own style of coming in his Shiveli, the lamps lit all around. What can be described enough to get that experience of going to Guruvayur and coming back home is one of its own kind. Just as a person goes to Tirumala and takes darshan of Lord Venkatachalapati and comes home and keeps reminiscing about the joy of the journey itself, of the hills of Tirumala and of Lord Venkatesha. Just like that, any devotee on a journey to Guruvayur would cherish even the start of the journey, then cherish seeing his own Lord Guruvayurappan in various darshans throughout the day, and then he would come back home and keep thinking of it all day and night till the next time he is able to see his Guruvayurappan again. Obviously, he is the Oppar Illappan, our Guruvayurappan. This Guruvayurappan was brought by Guru Brihaspati and Vayu from Dwaraka to Guruvayur, getting Guruvayurappan his name of Guru Vayurappan. His Rupam is incomparable, as we said. Many poets have taken pride in writing about Guruvayurappan. That's why we have our Narayaniyam and then Pundanam's Jnanapana and many other hymns and songs in praise of this beautiful deity of Guruvayur, who is this beautiful Murti in this baby form. There are many Krishna Murtis all over India and all over the world where we have Krishna as a baby, as a Kishora, young boy, and as Dwarakadishan, and Krishna in his many manifestations. But on this occasion of Ashtami Rohini, when he is born today, we have this baby Guruvayurappan to cherish and fondle. Yatrailokya mahiyasopi mahitam sammohanam mohanat kantam kanti nidanatopi maduram madhuryadhuryadapi saundaryotaratopi sundaradaram saundaryotaratopi sundaradaram twadrupam आश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवने 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 न कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो. Guruvayurappan Guruvayurappan's Rupam, Yatrailokya Mahiyasopi Mahitam. Greater than the greatest. Mahiyasopi Mahitam. Sammohanam Mohanat. Most beautiful, more beautiful than the most beautiful. Kantam Kanti Nidhanatopi. He is dearest, dearer than the dearest to us. Sammohanam Mohanat Kantam Kanti Nidhanatopi. Then Madhuram Madhurya Duryadapi. If there's anything that can be termed the most sweet, there's something sweeter than that, and that is our Lord Guruvayurappan. Madhurya Duryadapi. He's the epitome of beauty. Saundaryottaratopi Sundarataram Tvadrupam. Ascharya-topya-ascharyam. It is most wondrous. And if there's anything wonderful, fabulous, fantastic, fantabulous, whatever it is our Guruvayurappan. The devotees there, they keep on saying his name. Patanto namani Pramadabhara sindhau nipatita smaranto rupam te varada kathayanto gunakatha. After all, what would a devotee do? On any occasion, in fact, ideally, all the time, he would just keep on chanting the Lord's name or singing the Lord's praise. And how would he do this? He would do this in ecstasy. Pramadabhara sindhau nipatita. And he would always keep on remembering Guruvayurappan. Smaranto rupam te varada. And of course, you are the Varada, right? O Guruvayurappa, you bestow on me all the boons that are actually good to me. Even I wouldn't know what to ask of you, Guruvayurappa. You give me all the boons that I need. You are my Varada. Kathayanto gunakatha. And the devotees, of course, keep on telling the stories of Guruvayurappan's Gunam and Guruvayurappan's stories. In Sri Krishnam Bhajamanasa of Muthuswami Dikshidhar, he showcases our Guruvayurappan in this Todi Kirtanam. And in the Charanam, he describes the Shankha Chakra Gada Padmam of Guruvayurappan. Shankha Chakra Gada Padma Banama Lam Shankha Chakra Gada Padma Banamalam Venugana Lolam Kripala Padam. He is our abode of Kripa. He is like a Vaikal, a canal, an Utri, a spring that cannot stop showering his Kripa, his grace and compassion on us. That's how Dikshidhar describes Guruvayurappan. Kripala Valam Shri Krishnam Bhaja. This Guruvayurappan bestows his grace on us. And time and again, if we speak about Guruvayurappan Bhakta Vijayam, the pages in that book are going to be endless, because there are so many leelas that even an aunt in our own family would tell us, would give her accounts of her experiences with Guruvayurappan, because he speaks to his devotee. He takes them along in their life, and what not does he do? By way of this, if we are suffering from a disease, as our Bhattadri did, he cured Bhattadri of his illness, of his Vata Rogam. And this is not Bhattadri's Kalam, so it happened. It is not like that. Even now, whenever anyone of our relatives or family members or near and dear ones, or why not, the whole world is our family, right? So for them, if we keep on saying this shlokam, Asmin Paratman nanu padmakalpe tvamittam uttapita padmayoni tvamittam uttapita padmayoni ananta bhuma ananta bhuma mama roga rashim nindi vatalaya vasa vishnu vatalaya vasa vishnu. The Mahans of our Bharata Desham, of our Janmabhoomi, they have given us this, that whatever tapas, whatever penance they did, they would leave it in their books. And if we chant a shlokam or even one word from their book, we would get the phalan that they have told in the Palashruti. So if anyone is suffering from a disease and we keep on chanting this shlokam, we can see in front of our eyes that illness getting cured on its own. There was a parent who had a child with infantile paralysis. He had travelled far and wide seeking a cure for his boy who had this paralytic attack right from birth, but no one is able to help him. He heard that in Guruvayur there is a clinic where the doctor is capable of curing his beloved boy of this illness. So he comes to Guruvayur only seeking medical treatment from a doctor. In Guruvayur, he is not able to carry this boy and go all over the place. So he just leaves him on a thin night, on a resting place. In a place, he asks the boy to be there. Kanna, I'm going to be back. Please be here. Be careful. I'll be right back inquiring about your treatment and other details of our stay and everything. Be here, Kanna. Don't go anywhere. The boy is a very cute boy who will not go against his father's wishes. So he's sitting there, waiting for his father to come back. Of course, it's going to take his father a lot of time to go searching for the clinic, do all the inquiries, and show all the medical records, get the doctor's appointment first, see the doctor, and tell him all the history that nobody else is able to help him. Please, can he do something for his boy? And then also he has to search for a place to stay. The doctor has told him that this treatment is going to be taking many weeks, so he needs to find a place in Guruvayur to stay. And he makes all the arrangements. Meanwhile, here, a little boy, a dark boy, comes and calls this boy who's having this paralytic attack. Come, play with me. Come, I want to play with you. I don't have friends. I want to play with you. This boy says, I can't walk. I can't run like you. I can't hop. Neither can I jump down from where my appa has put me. I'm sorry, I can't play with you. Come, you come. This dark colored boy pulls him by the hand. And suddenly this boy who's supposed to have paralytic attack jumps down. He doesn't realize what's happening to him. He plays with this dark boy. And after the father has finished all the arrangements for the treatment and he's coming back to this place, lo and behold, his boy, for what he had spent years trying to cure him, and for what purpose he's come to Guruvayur to seek treatment for this illness, for this paralytic attack, this boy is jumping, frolicking. He's asking, what happened to you? How is this possible? What happened? Papa, I don't know. That boy is running away, showing his pinnadagal, the beauty of his back. He's running away into the temple. That boy only called me. I just jumped down and nothing is wrong with me. Looks like Appa. So what joy would that father have had that day? So that's how our Guruvayurappan is. So Sulabhan, he is So easy to reach for only those who have that little amount of love. Just as we would care and show affection on our own baby, he just yearns only for that little bit of affection from all of us, our Guruvayurappan. Narayaniyam. This is an ocean, and whenever anyone is doing discourses on Krishna Leela, we would be very happy to pick up pieces from Narayaniyam. In that way today, let's see just the shlokam on Kaliya Nartanam in Punagavarali. Atadikshu vidikshu parikshu bhita bhramitodarvari ninada bharaihi udagaduraduragadhipatistvadupantamaşandha rushandhamanaha athadikshu vidikshu parikshu bhita bhramitodarvari ninada bharaihi udagaduraduragadhipatistvadupantamaşandharushandhamanaha. The various shlokams in Narayaniyam, in the varied meters, the rhythms, the chandas. This particular shlokam, even if we recite it in that particular rhythm, we can visualize Guruvayurappan dancing on the serpent Kaliya. That's how the Grantham is. Bhattadri was suffering from his Vatarogam, but he prayed only to Guruvayurappa to cure him of his disease. And to who else will we go and tell our complaints? Only to our Guruvayurappa, right? And that's all he expects us. Whatever it is, whether it is anger, whether it is any frustration, or whether it is any beautiful feeling as well, we have to convey it on him. And that is the Paramaikantyam, the oneness of devotion that any devotee would yearn for. As we said, there are many beautiful songs on Guruvayurappa. One by Srimati Lakshmi Krishna describes a beautiful dream in which Guruvayurappa on this Ashtami day comes and wakes her up and does all sorts of pranks with her. She wants to offer him the Nevedyam that she has done for him, but he doesn't want to accept it. He plays with her, and then of course all the playful activities that you do, O Guruvayurappa, you are the Lord of the world, but you are here in Guruvayur for us. Ashtakshara porul Ashtami naadil vande Ishtamudane ella illam thorum pugundan kittene ringi ennai tati ezhupidave திடுக்கிட்டு எழுந்தேன் அந்த மோதரனை கண்டு தண்டை கொலு சொல்லிக்க தவழ்ந்து வந்தான் கொண்டல் மணி வண்ணன் கோபாலனோடி வந்தான் எண்டிசைகள் புகழும் எம்பெருமான் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணன் வண்டினம் மொய்க்கும் திருமலர் பாதம் பதித்து வந்தான். Anyone who has had the good fortune of being trained under Shri Kedarnathan would appreciate what I'm going to say now. Even when the student wouldn't know the nuance of any gamakam or any phrase, musical phrase that he would conceive, he would go about execute the entire song and teach it. I've had the good fortune of doing this. He would ask us to notate it. I wouldn't be able to even repeat the phrase, think alone, let alone think of the notation of the phrase. That's how his creativity was. So vivid. He would just give it off to us. After many years in music, we still strive to think of that level of musicality that he conceived. This Ragamalika itself would be a standing example for this. Kanjamalar Kannan. In that Kanjamalar, the essence of Kalyani comes. Punnagayudane Vandan Nanjumil Nagamil Adiya Padan Vandan அஞ்சனம் தீட்டிய கண்ணால் சுழற்றிய என்னை பார்த்தான். This Kannan has his eyes, beautiful eyes, தாமரை கண்கள். தாமரை கண்ணன் குருவாயூரப்பன். நெஞ்சை ஊருக்கும் அந்த பார்வையில் சொக்கி நின்றேன். This is the experience we would have when we went to Guruvayur also, right? பார்வையில் சொக்கி நின்றேன். Let alone us seeing Guruvayurappan. Guruvayurappan is seeing us, right? With his beautiful பார்வை. பார்வையில் சொக்கி நின்றேன். And look at the next stanza in Maya Malavagaulai. பாசமர பரந்தாமனை பக்தியுடன் பாடி நின்றேன். வாசம் நிறைவனமாலை துளவம் அணிந்த வந்தான். Guruvayurappan's Vanamala and his Tulasi Mala. நேசமுடன் வந்தருகே என் மனம் நெகிழ்ந்திடவே மாசற்ற ஜோதியாய் என் அருகில் வந்து நின்றான். Again, he's the Lord of the worlds, but he comes down to us. That is his Saulabhyam. The song goes on. It's so beautiful. திண்ணமர பேசி திகைக்க வைத்தாண்டி அண்ணலாய் வந்து என்னை ஆதரித்தாண்டி கள்ளத்தனமாய் வந்தன் உள்ளத்தில் அமர்ந்தாண்டி வள்ளல் குருவாய் வந்து வளம் பெற செய்தாண்டி. How can I describe this? He's stealing my heart. திருப்பார்கடலில் பள்ளி கொண்ட வள்ளலவன் திருமங்கை தேவி லக்ஷ்மி நாதனின் பாதம் அரும் துணையாய் வரும் ஆத்மஸ்வரூபன் அவனியோரை வாழ வைக்கும் குருவாயூரப்பா. She concludes the saying that this Guruvayurappan is the one who's closest to us in our hearts, and he makes all of us live. That means he takes care of our lokakshema. Yogakshemam vahamyaham. Like this, bhakti to Guruvayurappan, where does it begin and where does it end? Bhaktistu katharasam jari nirmajjanena स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमल प्रबोध पदवी अक्लेशतस्तन्वती सद्य सिद्धिकरी जयत्ययि विभो सैवास्तु मे त्वत्पद प्रेम प्रौढिरसार्द्रता द्रुततरम् वातालयाधीश्वरा वातालयाधीश्वरा योगीन्द्राणां त्वदङ्गेष्वधिक सुमधुरं मुक्तिभाजां निवासो भक्तानां कामवर्षिद्युतरुकिसलयं नाथार्ते पादमूलं नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपते कृष्णा कृष्णा पवनपुरपते कृष्णा कारुण्य सिन्धो हृत्वा निःशेषतापात् प्रदिशतु परमानन्द सन्दोह लक्ष्मी प्रदिशतु परमानन्द सन्दोह लक्ष्मी. What can we speak about the evergreen Jnanapanai of Srimati P. Leela? All the recordings whatever the sounds that we hear when we go to Guruvayur, all of those are there for us to cherish. Gurunathan tunajayda santatam Tirunamangal navin mel eppozhum piriyada irikkanum nammude narajanmam sabalamakiduvan narajanmam sabalamakiduvan. Krishna Krishna Mukunda Janardana Krishna Govinda Narayana Hare Achyutananda Govinda Madhava Sachidananda Narayana Hare Krishna Krishna Mukunda Janardana. We can only spend our lifetime singing his Namavalis, the rows of his names, his praise, and what else would we be doing if our Gurunathan only did Kripai to us? Because of his Kripai, we'll do Bhakti on Guruvayurappan. Happy birthday to you, Guruvayurappa.